The Honor X7b 4G and the Honor X7b 5G. What are the differences between these two smartphones and which one is better based on your preference and requirement? So we are going to talk about all of these points in this video. So here we go. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. Both of these devices, they are exactly same from the front, from the sides, from the top, from the bottom. Everything is exactly same. The only difference you will find on the back side. The Honor X7b 4G comes with a more minimalistic design compared to X7b 5G, as it comes without camera module island, and because of that it looks very minimalistic. While we got this camera module island on X7b 5G that also comes with different finish compared to the rest of the body. So we got a matte finished back panel with glossy camera module island, and because of that it is more flashy and eye-catching compared to X7b 4G. Another difference is that X7b 4G comes with this 108 megapixel branding on the back panel, while we got the 50 megapixel branding on X7b 5G on the camera module itself. As compared to the X7b 4G, the 5G version comes with a less camera lens. So this is a spot where Honor decided to put the 50 megapixel branding. Another major difference between X7b 4G and the 5G version is that X7b 4G comes with a hybrid nano SIM card slot. So there is a micro SD card slot provided. So if you want, you can use one nano SIM with one memory card or two nano SIM cards depending on your preference and needs, while X7b 5G comes with just two nano SIM card slots. So there is no option to expand the storage on X7b 5G. So if 256GB storage is not sufficient for you, then it is better to go with the X7b 4G, as it comes with expandable storage option. Everything else is exactly same in terms of design and build quality between these two smartphones. Now talking about the display, both of these smartphones got exactly same display, so I'm not going to talk about it. The only difference I could find between these two display here is that X7b 4G comes with a bit cooler display in terms of color temperature, while we got more warm colors on the display of X7b 5G. Other than the visible color temperature difference, everything else is exactly same when it comes to screen and display of Honor X7b 4G and the 5G versions. Now talking about the hardware, the Honor X7b 4G comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor with Adreno 610 GPU, while the Honor X7b 5G comes with MediaTek Dimensity 6020 processor with Mali G57 GPU. In terms of performance, the Honor X7b 5G is better compared to the X7b 4G, especially when it comes to the GPU performance. You can watch our benchmarking test score result comparison video of these two devices to get the better idea about the performance of these two smartphones and how much difference you are going to get in your daily usage. In terms of RAM and storage, the Honor X7b 5G comes with 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, while depending on the region, you can get many different variants of Honor X7b 4G like 6GB RAM with 128GB storage with 256GB storage, or 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. Another minor difference between these two smartphones is that Honor X7b 4G comes with Bluetooth 5.0, while we got Bluetooth 5.1 on Honor X7b 5G. Now talking about the camera, both of them got exact same front-facing camera, but the difference is huge when it comes to rear camera setup, as the Honor X7b 4G comes with triple rear camera setup with 108 megapixel primary camera, 5 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor, while we got dual camera setup on Honor X7b 5G with 50 megapixel primary camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor. So as you can see, there is no ultra wide angle lens provided at all on Honor X7b 5G, and the image resolution is also half of what you are going to get on Honor X7b 4G. In terms of the camera mode, the X7b 4G comes with super macro mode that is not available on the Honor X7b 5G. Everything else is exactly same when it comes to camera modes on both of these smartphones. Another difference is that the Honor X7b 4G comes with maximum 8x digital zoom, and on Honor X7b 5G we got up to 10x digital zoom. So if you want more zoom on your smartphone, then you can go with X7b 5G, But if you want a dedicated macro mode and more megapixel with more resolution in your images, then you can go with X7b 4G. So these are all of the differences between the 4G and 5G versions of the Honor X7b smartphone. Which device you think is better for you and fulfilling all your needs and requirements? Feel free to share your opinion in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.